Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to KIFS Crypto. Today we're going to be looking at one of the longest running cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. This exchange has been around since 2011 and they've never had a security issue. Now, I'm sorry to say I was unaware of this until recently. Now, I have to say I love this exchange, and whether you're new to crypto, a seasoned trader, I think this exchange has got something for everyone. So without further ado, let's look at BTCC. So this is the BTCC website. As you can see here, the first thing you see is get your first copy trade covered. I'm going to get that in a second, but they have a lot of new user rewards. You can deposit and earn up to 10K or just over 10K. But, okay, up across the top here, you got your deposits, your markets, your futures, copy trading, spot, lots and lots of different benefits, your affiliate stuff here, and all your deposit assets and profile stuff over here. Now we have to realize here, this has been around since 2011. It is absolutely crazy. Some of the key features are futures trading and with high leverage. Now they do go up to 500x. Obviously not going to recommend that. Absolutely crazy, and I put on a 500x trade earlier just to show you how wrong that can go. I mean, they can go well too, but I mean, you know, you're gambling and you may as well go to Vegas and put it all on green. Security and reliability are clearly important to BTCC, and they can back that up by saying that they have never had a security issue. The user face is super friendly. I'm going to show you that in a second, and they have absolutely tons of assets. Now, talking about the user face, it is available on the App Store, Google Play, Android APK, and you can download it to your desktop. The 24-hour trading volume so far is 38 billion. 24-hour open interest, 10 billion. And they have 2 million registered users. And as I said, they've been operating for 13 years. That's absolutely crazy. Now, I want to show you this ad because it highlights some of the more unique features of the platform.
Don't do it!
What are you?
I am you. The point is that site safe, stable, and reliable like BTCC.
BTCC has unrivaled liquidity to buy and sell crypto to maximize your profits, easier compared to other exchanges.
BTCC, exchange for a better future.
So as you can clearly see, they're really emphasizing the fact that they have never had a security issue and the liquidity factor. And if you notice in that video, Bitcoin was at 29,000 when that was made. Today we're currently over 80,000. Down here you have your BTCC Academy, which is absolutely awesome. If you're new to trading or you're new to just buying crypto, get in here, check it out. It has loads of brilliant articles and tutorials. Your online support is open 24 hours, 7 days a week. I have checked it. And you got your support center here with your FAQs. Now let's take a look at the platform. All the markets are listed here when you go to markets, and it'll tell you the leverage on them. As you can see, up to 500x on some of these crazy things. And we'll go across here to futures, and this is what the futures platform looks like. And as you can see, this opens up automatically on the minute time frame. It's insane. And I did do, let me see if it shows it. I did do a transaction earlier just to show you the craziness of 500x. So look at it here. It's not there actually. But I don't know if we'll do one now, but yeah, 500x. You want to be staying away from that. But if you want to adjust your leverage, it is up here. Please note that opening positions with more than 20x leverage increases the risk of forced liquidation. Please be aware of the associated risks. And as you can see, 50 all the way up to 500. Okay, now here's a cool feature here. They have futures copy trading. And I want to highlight this because lots of different exchanges offer this feature, but you will notice if you've been on them for more than 5 or 10 minutes, that the stats are insane. You have people with thousands of percent gains over a couple of days or even a week. And to me, they've never seemed realistic. Here, you'll see more realistic stats. 50% success rates, 39%, 23%, 34%. You know, anywhere around 50% is about average and is very, very good, to be honest. So, and then you come over here to click your all-time leading traders. Now, this is different. This is the profit and loss over the past 30 days. As you can see, some of these are crazy. 38,000%. 39,265 here. Win rate 45%. And it shows you here the AUMs, which is the assets under management. And yeah, this here is 4,700, 51%, with a win rate of 46.83. And if you want to just copy, pretty simple. Click on the copy feature here. It brings you in and it will ask you fixed margin or proportional margin, the amount you want to invest, the maximum copy trading margin, that's the maximum. And very important here, copy ongoing positions. Now, I would usually suggest that you don't do that because you just don't know what positions they have open and whether they're at a stage of closing them or if they're even at a loss. So I would always suggest always avoid copying ongoing open positions. A little bit about the trader here and obviously the lead trader profit and loss over the last 30 days. So their copy trading is awesome. It is much, much more realistic than any of the other ones I've seen. It's beautifully put together. It's so easy to use and it's very, very simple for new people to understand and how to use it. Up here you have your spot trading, if you want to buy your crypto. Your benefits here, they've got, as I said, they've got a range of benefits up to $10,000. You get $5 by just making your first copy trade. You can get up to $1,100 if you trade 10 million in volume. And there's a range of other stuff here, 60 million USDT or more in volume. Cumulatively, to get a $500 USDT trading fund and a 5,000 USDT coupon. You get 25% for inviting a friend. Just by registration alone, get $10. You just get $10 just to register. So very, very nice. If you want to do your KYC, it is 20 USDT. That is not mandatory, by the way. First deposit, make your first deposit of 500 USDT or more, and you get $20. And you got all these other features here like first trade and cumulative futures trading volume. So yeah, much, much better than a lot of the other competitors on the market. So if you're new to crypto, I wanted to show you this here. This is the BTCC Academy. As you can see, this is all about opening your account, making your first trade, deposits. But they got a load of stuff here and articles and about stocks in general, Bitcoin, and your altcoins. So yeah, this guide is very well put together, man. I gotta say that. It is. There's loads of stuff in there. Now, if you'd like to support the channel, I will post my affiliate link in the description and in the comment section. Appreciate it if you do decide to open an account with BTCC that you utilize that. That'd be awesome. It helps support the channel. They do have a very strong social media presence. We're going to open up that right now and I'll showcase this for you. As you can see, they have 237,000 followers. Following 554. They do weekly giveaways. But there was one thing I wanted to really show here. Look at this. Congratulations to Donald Trump. So you will notice that most cryptocurrency companies and particularly exchanges, they keep away from all this kind of stuff. So the fact that they had balls to go and do this, I mean, you know what? That is awesome. I absolutely love that. Fair play to them. So let's go back to the exchange here. Now, if you're wondering where these guys are from, they hold licenses in the United States, Canada, and Europe. And over the past 12 years, BTCC has provided safe trading services with top-notch technology through the ups and downs of many market cycles. As one of the world's longest-running cryptocurrency exchanges, BTCC has always put a strong emphasis on improving every aspect of trading, striving to create a fair trading atmosphere for all crypto lovers around the world. They are a legal entity in Lithuania, crypto license issued by the Financial Transactions and Reports Analysis Centre of Canada, and they also have a crypto license in the US. Ranked 5th by derivative trading volume on CoinMarketCap, ranked 6th on CoinGecko, Trustpilot is 4.3, and Bazinga is 4.5. And one thing I do like them, they're very transparent. They put everything, news, company developments, product developments, all up on the website. So guys, that's BTCC. Now, one thing I did forget to mention there is the fee structure. And the fees, I gotta say, they're very competitive and they make it very affordable, whether you're doing large scale buys, trades, or small scale. And on that large, crazy 500x leverage that I did earlier, just to see how it was going to operate, I still only got charged $6 for that. So yeah, the fees, super competitive. Now, we go over the pros and cons. Honestly, there's not many cons in this. I mean, the only thing I would say is if you're going to be utilizing 500x leverage, you got to be fucking super careful on that. The fact that they offer it is, there's probably a little bit of a too much of an enticement for new traders to go and utilize that. I would say stay away from that. But the pros, lots of pros. Beautiful interface, so easy to use. Obviously around for years and years and years. Never had a security issue where they've been breached. They offer products for both newcomers and experienced traders in the space. And overall, it is a beautiful product. I'm going to be downloading the desktop application and I'm going to be using this website a lot. You're going to see this on more videos over the next few weeks and months. So if you're looking for a secure, well-established exchange with strong trading features, definitely give BTC a look. As I said, with its user-friendly and robust security, it is a solid choice for both new and experienced traders. So yeah, that about does it for today's video. If you're looking for a more in-depth and longer version of a BTC review, my buddy Satoshi Sean has done one. He's done at least 35-40 minute version of this. So you can go over to his channel and check him out. There is a link in the description for that. Talking about Sean, myself and himself have launched a new podcast called Man Up with a Red Pill. It explores lots of current events, such as the recent US election, and lots of different conspiracy theories. So yeah, there's a link to the description for that channel also. Head over, give us a follow. I think you're going to like it. It is not just crypto stuff. It's all kinds of other things. And there is no holds barred on that. So yeah, that about does it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button. If you didn't, fuck it, go ahead and hit the dislike button. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think of BTCC. But until next time, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.